ye no na munim se ye wo Watermelon Street ye free ho kon Tantra Hill roundabout no ta wo fura wo de hwe wo free domina eba eya hye wonsa nifa so wo bon sa wo furo ye na bo 21st clinic bowra ho na ekone ye nsom ye nkrabata no so de ye dia pete Ghana ye wo branches be ye dunum yesom and cry Tantra Hill roundabout ye ne Kumase ye hwa ye wo hosunya ne Techima Nkranza takura de tema kasua ye line no simple wo bi atimi frɛ bi wo de phone ma akwara na kro obɛfrɛ wo 0540311311 0540311311 na wafrɛ na sciatica expert siakaka expert 21st clinic Adam anyway sciatica mami call it 3 times sciatica expert 21st clinic how many times did I call you 21st clinic how many times did I call you 21st clinic sciatica expert 0540311311 0540311311 na would them.
Mommy.
Yes, my daughter.
And then auto property washing machine.
Hey, your papa say. It's here, dear, come a sin in tenso. Now, some from you in the swap. A shimu come out.
Sending in a metal property washing machine.
Sa, I'm be a zebra. But yeah, what the ice cream do in South Pay.
Mommy, I didn't know auto property free.
A Chilean casa. And to the addition more and say a bomb bang. And train in a munkania. And I will tonswa. A chapapa.
Hey, Adam. Say
property air conditioner no fantastic.
Daddy, I don't know to property air conditioner.
Property air conditioner. Who saw ya na dem high. I said that a special compressor they are shame. It emanate down so. And the net akata ni mo. It in foot trunk.
Daddy, I didn't know worry, mommy.
So we pedu etua Fretoni Sack ewo Accra Spintex. Anase Kumase Fretoni Sack ewo Edum a Ebe Methodist Church.
Property. Sompa preko.
If I show Brian, I'm sure you'll bag.
Bra, Ade, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say.
Bra, said your time about Mister, as your Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, and because me the time about Mister Huadancia, we are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn the time about Mister.
And you go, dear, no matter I want to meet any deal. What drawn the time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear Wama Aquadano for any Aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman, ever trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do a name.
FDA Aji a judging crotway at home.
Rise and shine with Yas Toothpaste and Yas Toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas Toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas Toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas Toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas Toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas Toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas Toothpaste and Yas Toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas Toothpaste and Toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Emphasis 1
1, 2, and 3 admissions have started at St. Andrews Senior High School, and I have good news. Have you finished PEC and not been placed in a school of your choice? Do you want to rewrite your WASI? Have you been posted far from home? Have you been placed in a day school but you prefer a boarding school? Or you have not been placed at all? Don't worry, just hear me out. Your best bet is St. Andrews Senior High School, a grade A SHS with excellent facility and a wonderful teaching and learning atmosphere. We offer general art, business, home economics, agric science, general science, and visual art. We are located at Accra, Asinfosu, New Edubiase, Dunkwa Offing, Takradi Shama, Mankasim, and Seshi Asawenso. St. Andrews Senior High School. We are always in the lead.
Poku na obi ayenko baabie na oto do nsa suma no te se de yenko baabie.
Aha, nana kasache wadamfo no. Enansen, ommo no homode sempo. E wo mpem. Na se wan pedra. Obekọ beba no, ne dansi wona nipa nim.
Nana, mayenko na menko penkuhini ene nubina bi menu anom. So obe se wo ko. Edi enkohini ne enubina. Ebra donek heba Mr. Ewo ho. Diamond Scientific Heba for ene de aba. Eye meme dro papa. Adwuma say ejesi mu adwuma ene sa bo nkomo ho ban boost immune system we die ko pebi to ba bia tonto aduro pia na nya na ana akodom na se kuma se ne oboase kwantempo no so one abort college ene die nimhwe na china sese obedi wa dance we die nana me dase me turu ho da ago na ade achi muda so da
Ade Akye afeni asori o ene wa man we die me dase what solve me problem ya me papa we dey menya nko
Donek Heba Mr. Eye memedru obi onya mfinche du nwoto nka ho upebi atwa afre 0246727677 and 0200844040 FDA aje adwede nkra to yetum.
Mama's Choice, your favorite.
See what they brought to our local market. Mama's Choice macro. But the bon coin they be now just for the TV and when propose mamma near Bekisha. For my dear mamma. Hey, Yamma. Oh my God, I love this. Mama's Choice macro. I'm not queen why you show my son's wire there. So make a true. Now they're quiet.
Mama's Choice, your favorite.
Never. The Apabian Yamapa, what do you do? And we need Mama's Choice. Now, Papa. Ubedisa.
Mama's Choice, your favorite.
FDA Ade Akye Abia atumu.
Mama no ni school papa bia atete de obofo ho entity bia enya Media Institute Award Empress atete de obofo bebria wo ye adwuma esomome yentie school fo adadafo ne bia wonya school ye ho mfaso.
My name is Patrick Nana Jenny. I am the deputy news editor for NDTV and Angel FM. I am proud to say that I am a graduate of Multimedia Institute of Ghana.
Midi Ade Akye Abia no me central ni am ye adwuma e wo despite media. Now Obebisa says school ben na me call ya a Multimedia Institute of Ghana.
Dean Edi Sadat Mohammed. Me a presenter. Now presenting a juma me ne no. Entity na sha se ni nyina no. Binyaye Edi from Multimedia Institute of Ghana. Multimedia Institute of Ghana e school a etete central for. No so be central ni se ne ane. Me so manya kwanya na me yen central juma ibi. Na Multimedia Institute of Ghana na me kan for dia ma wo se won so ko na kwaje entete.
So journalism, newscasting, TV and radio presentation, sports presentation, sound engineering, radio DJing, film and TV production, video editing, any 3D animation, camera and light, professional courses to serve fashion design. Your campuses were Accra Malcolm Opera Square, Kumasi your STC Junction, Ofori Krum, 050-4488-418.
26 April. Obronsan so na obesia pa. Liberty Conference April edition. Omanhene Yaw Boakye. Onyame akoa. Otonsa frɛ foot for thought. Adesie nyina. Ene mu amu pe bibia we say April Liberty Conference. Ebeba so. Ose wei eye God's agenda. Eno ne asɛm a ye kasa ho. Ye yasɛm. Esther chapter 4 verse 14. Psalm 33 verse 11. Eno ne asɛm a ye kasa ho. Ose wei ye washing of feet. Part 2. Ye the communion wine. Ensio ana fe wow perfume. Je wo use no. Faka ho. Na fabra. Na sadan. Onyame beties. Ne beye butu. Adom to phone ni minister set example. Minister Sami Obin Poku. Ena fe residence worshiper. Minister Kwame Jedu. Woman ne bet so chom. Amenyame abofo. Esane abeye djuma. Shane so. Eye 26 April. Anopa no sia pepepepepe. Kumasi Jubilee Park. Liberty Conference April edition. Onyankropon Cherry Ampo. Semire kuku a osia na esi adwiri. Oye denchemra animu drawa. Opam kotokoba jese debre. Obe kanya ne ho. Ne nyame ma ede ho fadie ebe kofi. Oh glory. Hallelujah.
It's a beautiful morning, beautiful day. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. It's such a good
It's 6:37 in the studios of Sompa 93.1. A very good morning to you, wonderful people of Kumasi, Asante, Ghana, and across the globe. My name is Omanhene Yaw, and this is Ade Akye Abia. From the second floor of 21st Clinic building, we get the show running. The chief executive producer is Akosia Sumakuku Agenda, being directed by the wonderful Ya Grace, ably supported by Safo and others. I have my panel already seated. Asante Abua, the controversial man, is here. The security expert Ya Boama will be joining us very soon. What are the issues making headlines? Asante, good morning. Now I want to say BBI, okay. BBI the Dean. Okay. The Kumasi Mayor Richard Oforiajiman Bodi Zuba has given a 2-week ultimatum to traders operating along a pavement within the Central Business District to vacate the area or risk facing sanctions, even including lashing. Let's hear him.
I don't like reporting too many things to the police. I don't want a situation whereby we'll put in place a police team, we'll go arrest people, and then they go to the police station and they find their own means and they are back on the street. That would be a waste of time and resources for me. So I have my own democratic military style, which I'll be implementing. When we say leave this space, and you don't leave this space, and I get there, I am not lucky, and my boys are with me. There and then we'll beat you. There, in the middle of a doom. If you're not lucky, if I'm alone, you'll be lucky. But if I'm there, and my 10 boys are in their pickup with me, with their hips, trust me, we'll beat you. If you don't want to experience that kind of situation, do that which is right and what is lawful. This is Otumfuo City. This is the Asantehene City. This is the Garden City of West Africa. We have to preserve its image. And I am here to work to satisfy the city for Otumfuo. And I want to ensure that this city looks like Otumfuo City. And when we talk to you, and we implore on you to adhere to that which we all do, and we can all have peace. And you want to let the job become difficult for me, I will let your body feel the difficulty that you are giving to me. So when it gets to that period, please don't sit on your radio station and say that the Akwawe or Basa ever had to train.
Okay, so na seven na ko wie se. Wama edwedifo a omotete pavement so kwanchan ma hwaye basa no na otwe mienu obi amfamfiri ho. No wie na oba no ka cho se free hanoma owo 10 boys bi oni omonam. Omu go mu pick up no di nachi. Oba no omu nka ho de a wo hu so. Dem omu ka ho na free ho na so free wa. O ka ni pa kire o. Empia bi omu be gu achi no. They will lash you or say will beat you. And just I won't pay no turning pen no one. They are on a casement on in town. They are tossed to be I owe Otumfuo crow. As Santimero crow say. Now, crown of a faso of my crown and where Ben Yamama Santimerano or Befaso. A bill or catchers and treble. Yes, I won't come in 2 weeks in a woman town or Koya. Marco radio to say, I may already have a Sawasa, may already ask an adrenaline. And no dear, and your honor wash it. It's way Jenny near what to baby out to me say, and it's all Tanawa. Kumasi may offer for an abano. Richard of Furiajman say, Fio. Now what you mean? Okay. Mining in forest reserves and water bodies will be a deadly business. Kofi Amabua warns miners. Yente some more kind.
Our goal is to see to diligent miners grow into medium scale operators, eventually become large scale miners. But the caveat is to guide them to mine responsibly and sustainably. That means that mining in our forest reserve and our pristine water bodies will be a deadly business, and as the army has emphasized, going forward, any attempt to mine gold in our forest reserve and our water bodies will be a deadly business.
Okay. And you know, they were there to Jano, or say free dry echo. Wow, be rap forest, you know, on military for Nakasa, a deadly. Is either you are shot, you are maimed, or you are killed. Okay. LPP Minority Caucus, calling themselves the mighty minority, and Ra almost so led by their leader, Afenyo Markin, and leadership, no, Madame Patricia P.J. Nomne, another Premone, the fair guy, no, Ahmed. And Penifono, anyone I was until my term, led by Chamawu to me as the regional chairman, Ekoi, and second deputy speaker, Honorable Andrew Amankwesiama. Omunina Koi, na almost 200,000 Eko ma blue lights for Yenti Afenyo Mike.
Minority and the one who's Wabaka one inside. Yabaya Yasamara ni there. Ozikan one shazen. Za atuani Yazienwa Yazebo Isha wa TV da in who Moko from a magazine Moko to spare part. It's meaning a Juma and Juma. Bese Monte. Na wo stop a show. Na wo sika. Well, yo. Buy a bay. Iron MPs are parliament. Yenya yakaka yanisa. Yenya sika kakra. Yes, yes, Rebecca executives. One insa na wa share na mbwa wobotu was abwa one and wash one age was a woman. Yakaka yansa zano yenya sika 200,000 Ghana cedis. Oh yeah, in Kano Sikano 2 billion. Yes, sir. Roma executives. Etino chairman. Omanhene executives or ha. Bonjo one trimben. Na yamfa one komo yema one. Chairman. Chairman, Bocho, Abrente ya, Sekeki Tani, our friend Jerry Ahmed. Ono ni MP for Wejagbawi. And paying friend ma what's it? A bonenim over Parliament. Ono Okamubi. Our second deputy minority whip. Mrs. Sike, Mrs. Fanubi. Wa Empia Omaha Nizinim. Yen Nara Yenizinim. That's a once. Then you won't pay for one share. Now one fan Kaza. You pay for the water one. Now one Yanuma. One home. Also one for the Impopoman. Zayaka one you there. This is just the beginning. Yakada and MPs, one can come on Sassy Blue. Yankuponi Yadum, Nasa, Yakaka and Saza, Wabasan, when we answer Juma.
Okay, the National Democratic Congress executives was until Mampon. Senior Omoka and one more de Krata about Montia press conference apart. The traditional authorities show Abrante biko jina hose woma asantini ma medi omoso ne ade yenten sema executives no ewo mamponi to
me ba ya wada so ensensen bi esi wo NDC party office san sema ba yi ene edi efin aka asante mampon ama aka akonwa the silver stool da sebre etiso enti ene party empanifo ahia se enema ekoso antwa yie nyina no ye fa fide so na ye de chawpa ama the traditional council ye de chawpa ama asanteman ene mampoman ene Ghana fo nyina video no mu no na ye nkomo no na ye wobotaye bet kasa bi eba akiri a kasa no antwa yie eno na ede saa efi aka asanteman eti ene kasa bi a yetin wa akiri a anya yende ama Ghana fo obia eka bi no saa nipa a omo ne ye edi nkomo no enyina e wo party office ha ye bema obia akwanya na nsem a efiri omo nu mba ye no obia apa ho kyew se ne akoma beto yem ye nyina ye nipa ba ko asanteman enye yimu mampoman enye yimu na asundwe a ene yen atena asante mampon ha emresanti nyina no akoso ene yen atena na saa political parties a ewo asante mampon no coexistence na akoso na asundwe aye adwuma enti mprempren de eja ama wona yete wone a nsema efiri o
ne miankasa nkasa mekasai ya santini be free asante mampon beni makurasi ni beni be free ja konfront hene efie temesiramo adisema meka na chawpa na mede nam nananom so semfumso bi ekọ da sibro sebo nso ahemfie bia na e dia chawpa efa fide su epa na da sibro sebo nso acho timida ma simpanifo
onananom edidie mu a bwani bia amaye bia mfumso bia amaye bia mesre nanam se omomfa ncheme na enya sa na me pa akire enti
Enunti no baba wana okase ono sisale ni okache jo mama abranti ono so kase o ma santini bia medi o muso enso so ya santini lenso ma santini medi ni so ene entojo no ara nana si form to muso si form a ajobre John Boadu former national secretary na osi okache NI before ni other security agency say MPP nye ko mbetumi atete o mahurihura wo na obi be ka asema na mato ahye no so no enya de ombeso so so kra yente John Boadu
nkofo yakọ wi o mu bebre and Roberts akọ attack but also obi sa invite o e wo kware papa so entumi mba ne so memu ha na wo suspicion about obi aye bibia na wo hye max nkofo yakọ wi o mu bebre and Roberts akọ attack nkofo bebre o mo hye max eventually turned out say they are not from national security, they are not from the police, they are not from anywhere. And no ne ka say dia enye mo start in team for jo amewu ni kofo bebre koya ye ka muntie media for mo so mfa ma no entum gonye sa mo wo ho ma na fe mo wo ha na kofo ahye max aba mo ba ji so mo bibie na abewia mo ne ma nyina wo ho abekumu wo ho abrante ba akwa me ni hia ha also kof yi ne car obese na police for ne kofo hye max aba akosto no eje ne car eje ne niema yedi ti de ye no new kofo system a nka ne car ne sanka eventually turns out say na ye nsoma nkofo no eno na ye ka so obi achiro bibia as for that it is with the courts omfa nsema say de kan wa haya wa wo ha say we nya asema we say de ba court we asema nka also friends masa de ochiro ide na menti ase na say na ke.
So that's John Boadu for you. Gentlemen, once again, we are warmly welcome. Asante, Mami, NTU, in Shashefi. Ya wakwaba. Now to say, you know, body I see. Kumasi Mayo. Nasema wakano. Waka, or say. Now, Chimienu. The Kuruma Tando. Obia, whatever, and Quanchan baby, a free. Now, the Casa, what the associate says, one free or no better. Or what 10 strong men. Now, 10 strong men, you say, the bacho. We are Jadinia. Mami tufu oba bi o ka ho kra no ana no buy ho Sompa tax force Ashanti region 10 wadaroma wo ma beti obi ganche o se sore ho to ba mesre sore ho ansa no ma beto Ashanti medio
yo kumasi sebe afara te best at kumasi edika Ashanti mampo mabuno say no ne e bona na abaso so a chere de se tumu almost my idea say at least more bad. And I show 24 hours in 1 day and what this all many moody and chop an number and was a few in the buffalo. And he says over there to my super by next time Okasa washing said Miss Akasa. On my New York Waba, which is a now Chesson Yana as a genie tomb last week and a genie tomb. Last week, Yana came assembly members or a genie tumor, or now almost being 90-something%. I was Santa Region, I see them. And Mijidi said, Zuba, the way I let you for a genie tumor, a genie tumor, a chese assembly members no a tanachi. So what I say, on my person did you, but on my problem now, how do we solve it? Your firefighting approach. What you say, a jatona would the Jagumuno, a friend in firefighting. But and Sunday Jabesi no so to Mabunu Fana, so to Timamufono for a Jano Abia was extinguished accord Besumu, why Jan Ponco baby. There are so many ways of solving problems. And problem with Panise, or my identity free, said Montrose will be good. Yeah, maybe I'm not Miss Katia any way near but now the rate of the hawkers and not a nose to see. So I'm for
yeah.
But a couple of years ago, get your nature, Yanchin ye. Near 2 Central Market free we or mine. And many pana Dawson. Say over at your 4 market in more. We can get Yankasa run about the wall more, but being one money. But Zuba and Kawaka will be an uncle attached to us.
KJT central market so me bo mo den say ye baba beye ye basic your fans sane manyema no KJT afenso growth market so ye abomodin bia nyase o man won we na the note na obe start me kan sempu
send your best chance
o chance no I want America do obeka say o nana anaponso support there which will be deny but the process said we need pa and the babet na kumasi and the problem the woman face no what me ka so be yefi
and to say also about 2 hours we chow man
so nipa make you abedi na chi no nem kumasi mountain so say odu be na say what pavement
ye brim grofo
it is brute force and outmoded twam titi mremu kra no mrem say because ejima time na Rollins was on emu sanemu any democratic era ne
also democratic military style.
It's either democracy or military. You need democratic military system here.
Sir.
Oh, na empa no say the soldier for any
also ono dey na democratic military approach.
Oh my mister. Enye galamsey fight. A central market. Enye galamsey fight. Business. Life and bread issues.
Butter and bread.
I was say butter and bread. I was say we go need more train fear obitin you. Obeton in yema so ayi babo. And you say first of all, now you know the man. Yes, and Kenya now you say, yeah, or what office. And send engagement. When you are not basic form. So, as a million of basic form, now we engage you woman.
But don't you think, say, we are 2 weeks ultimatum? I don't know the way. Sensitizing them, talking to them, explaining issues to them. But you just said 2 weeks now, but okay, I got that.
Amana make us on home say ebia na ohwe media ni
minimum ba be din komo
no nam railways ha wonam ha kafo nyina se oyi nipa na edi bia na ka
o be yi kafo ni nyina
yi kafo do mo kwan fa ade bo ha ya wi o na emebi na ebi wo very say
asante ne ko ni say ya nso a se ne ye enu ba bia o e was say otumi so ye na sanity eba ewa central business district
ajewe mun ya acha 6 months only akuma say business so the congestion spare part do say nyenye obi aboba bi sampa nkompo na the congestion woni o say sibi and all because na keyetia any central market say be funtuma fra e mai bebebe omo source nyenye west coast ni pe go say be ete de chemu di dante omo pe enti no one how to miss only man can say ye engage you omo first mom bebo so me say I'm going to engage you when na musa emebo ne beti ase
asante me bawo ejesi aro oni omo engagement wa also aka say trotro fo ni ade omo jikrum hafe oyi omo de omo koi na oba be engage omo no ni omo ka say wi so de omo koi
there be engagement me say on say nipa no mane ntia se mu se baby amitie se bi enye se bi wo pano beke wo kura wo pomuden ne ebia bibia ti ke ebia bete bipia fa so chechemu chen
there are some who are also very stubborn asante
no on say ebia nipa ni be free ho no mu say wo kai nipa ni bi etie ye no so what you say
tomo anti no no the brute force sia
no say oh ko fam fia
ana omu demire pa kese tenteni bi
eni kwa se nko be bra wa kana ona me fana one ye ka central market bula de na minority for
yes right
you say ada ye ko original office o kan no kro chere ye say sika no ye ba but the problem at that time ye say signatories to the account na or be try say in fact omo di nipa bi ba ya ibe di phone bi rejected
omo nyi omo ni
omo ka say omo mpene omo ka say omo in the buffalo be kan wa na awa kusi but my last Saturday say ya gets be ma Saturday no me ko kejetia anwumre be 6:30
kejetia na blue light
wono anwumre me ko duru wono muni on the Roman Hill end wono sa the Daniel sisu bi no so me ko anwumre no na mi hu say netie sand fitai bi gugu until I prompted my attention say what's going on me hu say am no ka me say ya ka che o say wa obetimi esi na asi si
wa na ka che o
almost authorities na ka che o and me bro inside ankasa ba
the dynasty o na mu kra
ma tie me say me bro inside mu say chippings ankasa aboyi bi ene netie oh ya di videos me go abo say omo de be go inside one kasa e da ba go go say omo to blog no inside let me say omo to blog no inside
fresh
renovations and he say
na e dan no after Jashie no e dan na wa ho den well the structural integrity how have they come out to know say a dan wa ho den a say with the cement we get ho now the blocks we go so it can meet the test of time
and he say money can draw me
mo nkoye ma afi be wi ase ne yawo obi enwu o afi be sidan na wi omutim dako na a cave in na ndoma wu na no so be ya another disaster ya grace wo video na mo try na yen sanka
sa videos no e be so bo wus apo no da be gugu ha o man share so mo dan make me ka say na Tuesday go back there will be better improvement among for ya dan bi kra.
That is serious.
And the minority for no o man ya tie sika so say be bank asa
ba me masima no pen say o ofem busa mo say sika na he na eko na ya wo ka say o ma bie account bi chama na obeji sika no utim say ono so wo ho bi ye mpese be wie na sa sika we afi ye ko account ma ye say instead of because 1 million Ghana cedis in 400,000 4 billion 5 billion never no they should be around 30 or 40 billion by now. Ye mpese be wie na afi ye say ye de sa sika no be si dan no ama wo ma na ye de ba be si stores na ama wo ma afi ko wi ase no ye hwe sika no a ye si we na wo so sign e na we ko yi bi ke hwe be hwe wo mo no apologies Zuba ya remember on check
I wonder Mayor Zuba with na say media ano dey abuda say yekuro yi mo ayeti ye gitum say yekumase ene asante mam say ye na isi nim ne deda no enye sa
intesabio
ifinom ene ase sisi asa kwet say bebi obi ape bia no na otena didwa na otena aye de ope enye sa na kumase tie rakonta sa nipa no so omo yesa na sene asante eken akota sisi pa no pese ukudidwa e wo yekuri mu a se wo se ukọ aduma na se ukọ ura the central business district a hefa na ukọ no akọ akudidwa no na nkie ndem kura no ukọ kromu a na onim se ukọ central market na akọ akudidwa adi na mabu agu ya anwe ne sisi we se mo beto aso se mo nto aso obi enim de
aye Boakye bidin
ene akonkon wono mo na nke jamanfo de kegetia ne blue light wono mo no e de eja soso ne maso kakra e de wo fa hono ma obenyanya ne ma bi atoto na de akofie e na fofia nto ata blue light soso akwakohye enti already na no central market ma na mutu wo mo no a mo se mu sidwa no munya baabi ma wo mo ntran yi
ena blue light for
our account blue light aba be piso ene konkon hono ena nke bia ka e ba se ye no na nke bia etu ye nia na ye pe baabi amomatena ke bia nka do mbekwa kugu krofrum na je wakwa kwa epiri do kakra o krofrum
e ho so anwene ne se
eno so na anwene so ntie be aduonu ni akire ya yetete hu ya konta ye hu ne e kwa kosi itakonta nipa no a omo tete kwan no ho ejegira ho no mo edidwa no
e so onya baabi anko betra
onya baabi a enti pa no pese obetena wianu mu saa pa no pese de bia ka be bo no so be pepe no apagya de niam esi nchen na ka be se no asade be so na ka e ba no apagya de esi nchen de bia na e pampam no pa no
man too must eat
man must survive man must eat etinya pe no mo pese o metra kwan no hu the city authorities no led by Kosifuri Ajimambodi new mayor of Kumasi before say the 2 weeks in the so no omayi ebia e mai akota plan no ne say ebia me dem okọ asoasi dwom me dem okọ asoasi dwom no ebia ye create a mini lorry park bi kura wo asoasi dwom akota eye cars na di pamedi gano
no cre say station na wa create no sa asoasi dwom ya create the fancy bantoma ofori krom wa hwan kasa onipa no be kwakofa ka o na wa check wa afo no so say the be ya o mfa ne nkwanche
o mfa ne nkwanche nti se nipa no create lorry station ɛwɔ asoase dwom no no a ɛma ne kwa akɔtena kwa akɔdi dwa no nipa no do no so hu sentos abre kama Genesis wo no mo abobɔ kama
on so am free dwom obeka se me duru a me to ya me de Africa menya banche atoba ira to de Africa
menya me board ato menya me bi
to obedi dwa
ho it gradually na omsoso mu hunu se edwa na 18
now the
easy pressure wo edum ho no mo bara kota tena ho no mo be se mebo afi be duru ba bi akota akwase wapo ba efedu ba bu twa ba na akwa
opa mo hufu auto ne bema so you think that approach is
kosi misfired kosi bra penny kosi misfired akunta baby edu na akunta nye amurehura ne mebo semu
obi be tie si ni battle for no dia bom
ebedu babu bo se emrante no be
kuyen
edu that point ana akunta
wapem ntimi nya hwe bi afi wo ka bibia so ombetie
bi so it baby edro no eye jojo hyase kwada so dwom edwena se dwa ya akunta esu ono mo a omo developers o musi edwena se dwom ne kura no esrem pedimfo se omo fo nipa meguo no start engaging them na akunta create artificial stations glory stations e wo ho no mo na se so ko guo na so ma nko na fe o be kasa asem wo ekire asanteman ene Ghana
nya be support
na yeso say me yozuba when you odi bem so
okay abusian for ye Daniel Waba Samre Orlando at the tip of Jumedie no Abraham ye ba ye beto aso